We're here!
We are here.
We're in the park.
We had a really weird arrival and travel day and craziness.
Not all our magic bands are working.
Yeah, there's problems with the reservations. None of our magic bands work, so I have gray. One random one of Tony's works. It's weird. Anyways, we are here. We got here right before midnight last night and just crashed in the room. But now we're at the magic.
By opening.
All is well. So we're gonna go walk down Main Street and be so happy. And we're gonna see the new, I don't even want to call it the welcome show. I'm still a little bitter about that one. We're gonna go see the new Good Morning show and
Still bitter about that.
and yeah, we're gonna have a good day. We're only gonna be at Magic Kingdom for a little bit before we head over to Animal Kingdom.
And we have a lunch in store too.
Ooh yeah, it's gonna be a good day. Today is redemption from yesterday's ridiculousness. The Emporium is scrimmed, so it's not beautiful, but right around that corner is gonna be something beautiful.
Much better.
You ready?
I'm ready.
It's Starbucks.
Oh, it's Starbucks. I need some.
But better than that, the castle.
The mouth hurts already. I'm smiling.
Happy to be here.
Very. Thanks for coming with me. We got coffee.
Yeah.
We're in the kingdom. And Lindsay's hair is everywhere.
It's really windy, but it's
a nice, pleasant wind.
It's a very necessary wind because otherwise it'd be really warm.
Got in through Main Street and the castle show's about to start, and then we're gonna jet over that way to go to Big Thunder.
Yeah, there's already a insane
Huge
congregation of people, really at each little opening spot, but specifically the one that leads people to Seven Dwarfs Mine Train.
Gigantic line.
So we aren't in much of a rush. We knew this morning that we weren't gonna do that. We figured we might or might not even see the welcome show. Our plan was just get here and spend a few hours here, maybe do a couple rides, definitely get some coffee. So we already have one item checked off our list.
Done.
Hear ye, hear ye, come, gather round. Very good, everyone, very good. Welcome to this magical kingdom.
It's time to start the day. And that means it's time for just a little bit of magic. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Hey,
First ride of the morning. We managed to get on Big Thunder. Oh, what is our cost?
Party. We completely forgot to guess.
If any of you folks are wearing hats or glasses, remove them, because this here's the wildest ride in the wilderness!
How was it, Lindsay?
That was fantastic. It's different. We don't usually sit so far forward, so it was not as fast.
No, not at all.
I kept like waiting for it to get going.
Going for Big Splash Mountain. We haven't ridden this, I think, in like a year and a half. We're We're gonna get wet, probably. That was fast.
I'm wet already.
Arms, feet, and legs
My
inside.
butt's wet.
Have a zippity doo dah ride.
Silly fox.
A good ride, guys. Thanks.
Guess who got the first red car? I saw her getting it ready. I was like, I bet Lyndsay's gonna get this one.
She was smiling at me like, this girl wants this.
She knew. How do you feel to have all that power?
It's an honor and a privilege, and I don't take it lightly.
Is there anybody?
Met?
Yes. Is there anybody you'd like to thank?
I would first and foremost like to thank Walter and Roy Disney for creating this fine park. I'd like to thank that cast member down there.
Stephanie.
She was just earning her ears, but
She earned them well.
she has now earned my heart.
Today is the day she became a cast member.
This ride is pure magic.
Why?
A, red card. B, very short wait. C, row 13.
It's the best road. Keep that secret between the internet and us. When-
Cause this here's the wildest ride in the wilderness.
Way more,
So much better.
way better back here.
I enjoyed our first ride, but back here.
The whole, this is the wildest ride. This
Yeah.
right here. Oh hi, I didn't know you were recording. I didn't. I heard a beep and I was like, maybe it's recording.
Oh, okay. I was like, you're holding it. What?
I didn't know that I was recording. So yes, as you saw, we did Big Thunder twice, we did Splash Mountain once, and we didn't get too wet. Like, I feel like I'm already mostly dry.
Yeah.
Mostly.
My seat is wet,
Yes.
so I just need to like lay face down on the hub grass for an hour and I'll be fine.
Do you know of any good snacks to have with that?
You know, I'm thinking a Dole Whip.
I don't know if it's gonna make it all the way to the hub grass. It's really hot out.
Yeah, we might stop somewhere else first.
But it's, yeah, it's Dole Whip time at 10 in the morning.
Thank you.
That is a big old Dole Whip. How's your Dole Whip?
It was really good.
How good?
Very good Dole Whip. It was way too big. Like, the guy gave us way too much.
That was a massive,
But it was delicious, and it was hollow in the middle, like,
yeah.
you know. But he just went like a little beyond the cup, so we had to eat it extremely fast.
Which we had no problem doing.
Yeah. So we came in to do a little shopping. Most people are out riding rides, so there isn't a whole lot of shopping going on. Tony's being silly. These figurines are cool. I would have guessed these would be like $400 or $500, but they're only like
150?
$155 for that, $95 for that one up there, $125 for these guys up front. Like, that one's cute.
And if you think about it, with an AP, it would be like another 25 off, so it'd be around $100.
That's true. Yeah, you'd get a good discount. 3 caballeros are so cute. All the not Buzz and Woody characters. Those are neat. And there's these guys too that are even cheaper. They're fun. Very colorful. Oh, these are cool. Showing like how to draw Mickey and Minnie. Those are fun. But Daddy, I love him. Alright, where to, Tony?
I think we're gonna go to lunch. I'm
Alright.
getting a little hungry.
Yeah, so we're gonna...
I'm thinking some bread.
Bread? I know just the place.
That's good.
Well, it's a beautiful day for a trip to the kingdom. Look at that.
We're there for about 2.5 hours. It was a fun 2.5 hours.
Did you have fun?
I had a lot of fun. Like, short amount of time, big return.
Yeah. We like, it was good. Perfect way to start a morning.
And
I appreciate, and the trip. Yeah, I appreciate that a lot more than an extra hour of sleep. Like, that's good.
Good call.
Let's head to lunch.